Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with personal capital step by step clearly. To begin using personal capital for budgeting, first, create an account on their website. Visit personalcapital.com and click on sign up. Fill in the required information, including your email address and a secure password. Once your account is created, log in to Personal Capital. Next, link your financial accounts by selecting Connect Your Accounts. This includes bank accounts, credit cards, and investment accounts. Follow the prompts to securely input your account information. After linking your accounts, navigate to the cash flow section in the dashboard. Here, you will see an overview of your income and expenses. Review your monthly cash flow to identify your spending trends. To set a budget, click on the budgeting section. You will find different categories for budgeting, such as housing, food, and entertainment. Set budget limits for each category based on your financial goals. Regularly monitor your spending against these budget limits. Utilize the investment checkup feature to see how your investments align with your financial goals. Make adjustments to your budget as necessary based on your cash flow analysis. Consider setting up alerts for when you approach your budget limits. Regularly review your financial progress within the dashboard section. This will help you stay aware of your overall financial health. Remember, budgeting is an ongoing process that requires regular updates and revisions. Using personal capital can help you take control of your finances effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.